Does the iPhone 11 have a home button? Apple has officially killed its iPhone home button and Touch ID on the iPhone. The future is all-screen handsets like the iPhone XR and the incoming iPhone 11 range. And that means one thing: no more home button on iPhones. This is a bold move for Apple. Is Apple getting rid of the home button? Apple took out the 3.5mm audio jack for internal volume real estate. The home button represents surface area real estate. Removing it allows the screen to extend to the bottom of the phone. The home button stands out like a big zit on the face of the phone. Does iPhone 11 have Touch ID? The in-screen fingerprint technology is naturally destined for the flagship high-end iPhone models. For the 2019 iPhone 11 series announced next week, it is expected to feature an improved Face ID system that will work at more angles, but do not expect anything drastic like the inclusion of Touch ID. Which iPhone has no home button? 3. Going home. Because the iPhone X doesn't have a home button, Apple introduced new gestures that make it possible to navigate without the home button. Most notably, to get to the primary home screen from the lock screen, any app, or subsequent home screen, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Do any of the new iPhones have a home button? Going home. Because the iPhone X doesn't have a home button, Apple introduced new gestures that make it possible to navigate without the home button. 10 tips for navigating an iPhone X without a home button, simply. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for more of these videos.